Jacks. From a miserable Aberdeen today. Rain, although they say we're going to have a storm later on today. Wind's getting up and it's showery, but I think we'll have more later. Hope your day's going well. I'm just at home today, just tidying up, doing a few jobs. So here's Dad.
Good morning, Miss Chickie. I am just home from town. I was away getting some fishing photographs developed. I like putting old photographs into my books. Doesn't matter. I hope you are doing very well. You are in good voice, I heard. So that's fine. Hope the weather's not too bad where you are, Jackie. Okay, listen, you take care and have a nice day. Love you.
Loads of love, Jack. Take care. Bye.
Love you too, Mom. Love you too, Dad. Love the voice, Dad. It came out so beautifully, like someone would present a story to the world and do it in poise. And yeah, I like your voice, Dad. I love your voice too, Mom. You can do a duo. Kisses, 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 and pop up a bottle of port, sit inside, watch the storm like it was a cable movie. It will pass. It will pass. I've got you. I love you.
Glad you like my voice, Jax. Yes. We will look after ourselves in the storm, and you take care. Here's Dad.
Hello again, Jackie. You like my voice? Well, I wish everyone said that. I think it was just because I was speaking very, very, very slow to you. I'm usually as you know, I'm usually a very, very fast talker. But I just thought I would slow up a bit. Now, tomorrow night, Mum and I will have a nice little bottle of South African Red, which is not unusual. Okay, it's not unusual. But tomorrow we celebrate 43 years to the day we moved to 25 Riverside Terrace. 43 years we've been here. It seems like 43 days. Anyhow, you have a lovely day and we love you.
Yeah, loads of love, Jax. Loads of love. Bye.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. You know, I don't think you two should write to me anymore. You should actually just vocalize what you have to say to me. I mean, I know, Mom, you loved your typing and your fingers and touching your phone and cleaning it and polishing it. And it's so nice to hear the blend of your voices together. It's so harmonious and so playful and so loving and enchanted. I love you. Do you know that? In case you didn't know, I love. And Dad, I do also fast talk, but I've learned to slow down. So when we fast talk, it's cool. But we can do that when we see each other. So yeah, we can, do our thing. Hey, Mamzo, I love you. I kiss you and thank you and Daddy all for being in my life. Twa, twa, twa. Mwah.
Jax, thank you. Twa, 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 too. Oh, here's that.
Jackie, I can honestly say I love your accent. The way you speak, it is far better than the way I speak.
Definitely.
But it is nice that everyone's different. But your accent, I've always liked your accent. Believe me. You have a lovely day, as I said before. Twa, 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 twa. Love you.
Twa, twa, Jax. Love, 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 hugs.